Hello and welcome friends. We will start a Python programming course today. So without wasting any time, we will learn introduction to Python from our teacher.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about Python programming language. Introduction to Python. So what is Python? Python is a powerful, high-level, interpreted, interactive and object-oriented scripting language. If you guys don't understand the meaning of this word, I am here to explain with some simple example. So why Python is so powerful? Because it can handle a wide range of tasks from creating web application to performing data science tasks. And it's also convenient for the developer to create a flexible application in Python. A high level language. So what does it mean high level language? High level programming language is like using human friendly instruction to tell a computer what to do. It's designed to be easy to read and write. Interpreted. Interpreted means when we write the code, it translated into a computer friendly language called bytecode to run and execute a program without any separate compilation. Interactive. Interactive means we can run our code line by line in a live environment like in Windows CMD, Mac Terminal, Linux Terminal, or Python REPL. Object oriented. Object oriented in Python is a way of structuring code around object which bundle data and action for ease of use and maintenance. Scripting. Scripting is a way of giving your computer a set of instructions in a simple step by step. For example, you have a lot of files in your computer and you want to rename it, but you don't want to do one by one or manually. So you write a script and run it, and Python takes all the files and rename it according to your code. And the person who created Python programming language, his name is Guido van Rossum, and Python was first released on February 20, 1991. So now let's move to the next question. So why you should learn Python, guys? It's really easy to learn. It's like plain English, so anyone can understand and write code on Python. It also platform independent. What does it mean? It means you can run a Python program in any operating system, Mac OS, Linux, Windows, in any operating system, guys. A wide standard library. Python has a vast collection of library, more than 1,37,000. And Python is really famous for its library like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and there are many more. Portable and platform independent. Python is really famous for its portability. It allows your code to run smoothly in any platform. Free and open source. Python programming is totally free and open source. Open source means you can customize the code according to your requirement. So, what is the meaning of dynamic? If you comes from the background of C or C++, you know before defining any variable, we have to define the data types. But in Python, you don't need to mention those data types. Python interpreter automatically define or assign the types. Automatic memory management. Python automatically manage memory handling tasks such as memory allocation and deallocation without requiring manual intervention from the programmer. It has a great advantage. A high salary opportunity. As you know, now the demand of AI engineer, Python developer is rapidly growing. So obviously Python has a lucrative career ahead. So you can choose to be a professional Python developer. So what can you achieve with Python? As I have discussed earlier, you can do a lot of things with Python. You can build a backend of a website using Django or Flask. You can do data analysis, machine learning, automation, everything. So in order to become a professional Python developer, you can join our professional batches. So in order to join, what you need to do, first go to Google Chrome and search learntoleads.com. and then come and click on explore coaching batch, and you can explore the course details over here. And if you like or if you want to join, you can book a demo class also.